Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take English Literature class for class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 11 from Buzzword book, The Lost Camel. Is synonym antonym, true false and question answer will be done today. This is lecture number 12 and homework number 12 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at our today's lesson. Unit 11, The Lost Camel. Previously you have done it in the class and word meaning and make sentence was practiced, and in this class we will do synonym antonym, true false and question answer. So at first synonym antonym. Words, synonyms and antonyms. First word, foolish. Synonym is silly and antonym is wise. Second word, suffer. Synonym is endure, antonym is enjoy. Third word, dismiss. Synonym is remove and antonym is keep. Let's read again. First word, foolish. Synonym silly, antonym wise. Second, suffer. Synonym is endure and antonym is enjoy. Third word, dismiss. Synonym is remove and antonym is keep. Next, true false. Number A. The king wanted money and men to build a fine new palace. This statement is true. Number B. The camel was carrying a load of wheat and barley. This statement is false because the camel was carrying wheat and honey, not barley. Number C. The king punished the ministers in the end. This is false because the king did not punish the ministers in the end. Okay, let's look at the question answers. The question and answer is given on page 126 of the book. The questions are there and we will do number 1, 2 and 3 from there. Number 1. What did the king want his ministers to do? Answer. The king wanted his ministers to tell him how to collect more money from the people. Let's read again. What did the king want his ministers to do? Answer. The king wanted his ministers to tell him how to collect more money from the people. Number 2. Why did the king dismiss the ministers from his kingdom? Answer. The king dismissed his ministers because they advised him not to build a finer palace. Let's read it again. Why did the king dismiss the ministers from his kingdom? Answer. The king dismissed his ministers because they advised him not to build a finer palace. Then, next question. Why did the camel owner believe the ministers had stolen his camel? Answer. The camel owner believed the ministers had stolen his camel because they described the camel perfectly. Let's read it again. Why did the camel owner believe the ministers had stolen his camel? Answer. The camel owner believed the ministers had stolen his camel because they described the camel perfectly. Okay dear students, next is your homework for this class. Your homework from today's lessons will be Unit 11, Synonym Antonym. The synonym and antonym we discussed in the beginning of today's lecture from Unit 11 will be your next homework. So okay dear students, please read the story carefully again and do the homework carefully and submit it on due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.